Okay, so now ready? Indigo, na? Indigo MCQs. शुरू करें? Should I begin? The very first question. Health conditions in Champaran were miserable, tolerable, under control, or fairly good?
Miserable.
Right. Who volunteered to work in Champaran? Two disciples of Gandhiji and their wives, Kasturba and the eldest son of Gandhi, Mahadev Desai and his wife, Narhari Prasad and his wife. Who volunteered? Volunteered means willing workers. Who were there? Nobody knows. Two disciples of Gandhiji and their wives. The representatives of the planters offered to refund -% to the peasants. 5%, 10%, 20%, or 25%?
25.
25, okay. For how long did Gandhi remain in Champaran? 7 weeks, 3 months, 1.5 years, or 7 months?
7 months.
Okay. What amount of payment did the big planters think Gandhi would demand? Repayment in full, double the payment, 50%, or no payment?
50%.
No. उन्होंने क्या सोचा था? गांधी जी is going to demand repayment in full. But Gandhi
Yes,
ji
ma'am.
demanded 50%, then they offered to pay 25%, okay? To which Gandhi ji he agreed. Gandhi was summoned by Dash, the Lieutenant Governor, Sir Edward Gate, Sir Henry, Sir Richard Andrews, or Sir Friar Andrews?
Sir, ma'am, option A.
A1, Edward Gate, good. Who were ready to follow Gandhi into jail? Peasants, lawyers, Shukla, or Kriplani?
Lawyers.
Lawyers, very good, Lakshya. The magistrate asked Gandhi to furnish bail for -minutes. 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or 120 minutes?
120 minutes.
120, 2 hours, this is it was. How did Gandhi behave with the officials outside the court? Demonstrated his power, was firm and resolute. He said he would disobey the order, or cooperated with them?
Cooperated with them.
Very good. Only Lakshay, he knows the answers. Others don't even try to answer. They don't even try to speak. Why did Gandhi start out on the back of an elephant? Reason, because a peasant had been maltreated in a village nearby. Second, he set out to meet the Secretary of British Landlord Commission. Third, he set out to meet British official commissioner, or he was summoned by Sir Edward Gate.
Ma'am, option A.
A peasant had been maltreated. Good. After Tirhut, where did Gandhi go? Lucknow, Motihari, Kanpur, or Ahmedabad?
Motihari.
Motihari, good. What happened when Gandhiji visited the Secretary of British Landlord Association? The secretary proceeded to bully him. Secretary advised him forthwith to leave Tirhut. The secretary said that they could not give any information to an outsider, or the secretary was very harmful.
Ma'am, option C.
C1, very good.
C
Why
option.
was Gandhi not permitted to draw water from Rajendra Prasad's well? The servant thought Gandhi to be another peasant. Rajendra Prasad was not at home. Gandhi looked like a vagabond, or Gandhi was a Harijan. Yes, even the servants thought Gandhi to be another peasant. Where is Champaran district situated? In the southwest of Orissa, foothills of Himalayas, northeast of Orissa, or south of Bihar?
Foothills of Himalaya.
Foothills of Himalayas, yes. Okay, in Bihar, okay, at the foothills of Himalayas. What did the British landlords and from the peasants after synthetic indigo was developed? Indigo as rent, 15% of produce, money as compensation. The question goes like this, beta. It's wrong here. What did the British landlord demand from the peasants? Okay, after the synthetic indigo was developed, they came to know about the synthetic indigo. What did they demand? Indigo as rent, 15% of produce, money as compensation, or a new settlement?
Money as compensation.
Money as compensation. Good, Gia, very good. What were the places visited by Gandhi between his first meeting with Shukla and his arrival at Champaran? Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Patna, and Muzaffarpur. Calcutta, Patna, Gaya, Muzaffarnagar. Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Gaya, Calcutta, Patna, and Muzaffarpur. Or Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Patna, and Muzaffarnagar.
Ma'am, option A.
A1, Kanpur, then he went to
Option
Ahmedabad, and then after several months, he had an appointment in Calcutta, where Rajkumar Shukla was sitting on his haunches and waiting for him. From there, they proceeded to Patna, okay, Rajendra Prasad's house, and from there, they proceeded to Muzaffarpur to take the complete information. Who received Gandhiji at the Muzaffarpur station? Shukla, Kriplani, Rajendra Prasad, or Nehru?
Ma'am, Shukla.
नो बेटा
शुक्ला।
मुजफ्फरपुर पर तो कृपलानी मिले थे ना, मलकानी के घर पे रुके थे और कृपलानी मिले थे उनको, ध्यान आया आपको?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
ना उस समय it was not a common thing to shelter, okay, for a government servant to shelter any freedom fighter. तो कृपलानी ने with his students, he was a professor in the college, तो अपने students के साथ he was welcomed at the station, but he stayed there in the house of Malkani, okay. Shukla led Gandhi to the house of a lawyer, देखो आ गया, who later became the president of India. अब जब very first after Calcutta वो कहाँ proceed करा था और किसके घर गए थे, where he was not allowed to draw water, वो कौन था? JB कृपलानी, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, जाकिर हुसैन और महादेव देसाई.
Rajendra
राजेंद्र
Prasad.
प्रसाद।
What was the full name of the peasant from Champaran? JB Shukla, Rajkumar Shukla, Ramkumar Shukla और Roop Kumar
राजकुमार
Shukla.
शुक्ला।
Rajkumar Shukla.
When did Gandhiji go to Lucknow? December 1917, October 16, Feb 1917, or December 1916?
D1।
D1, 1916, mein he was there. Good. Where did Gandhi stay for 2 days? At a peasant's house, at a lawyer's house, in a guest house, or at Professor Malkani's house?
Option D.
At Professor Malkani house।
Very good. What was the condition of the peasants in Champaran? They were very happy, they were independent, very rich, or they were terror stricken and oppressed?
Ma'am,
D1।
D1.
D.
They were terror stricken and oppressed. Okay. What was the attitude of the average Indian in smaller localities towards advocates of home rule? Very welcoming, very courageous, pleasing, or fearful and indifferent?
Fearful and indifferent.
Indifferent.
D।
Okay, they did not
D1।
show any support to them. Why did Gandhi consider the Champaran episode a turning point? Its voice spread far and wide, it became famous, the Britishers were scared, or to protest the court's order to postpone the trial. A turning
Ma'am, D.
point.
A1।
A1, uski voice spread hui far and wide, means it had lot of effect on the Britishers. What was the statement that Gandhiji read, pleading himself guilty? Okay, he read a statement in the court in which, okay, Gandhiji, he was just pleading himself to be guilty, that he was a lawbreaker, that he wanted to command respect, that he was not a lawbreaker and came to render humanitarian and national services, or none?
A.
C1.
A1, A1 or C1? See, there he pleaded that he
Ma'am,
was not a,
C1.
yes, he was not a lawbreaker, okay, and he was not interested in setting up an example as a lawbreaker. But he thought that the first main duty was to render the humanitarian services, okay, to those people of the Champaran, जिसके लिए वो वहां पर आए थे. समझ में आ गया? तो वो कहते हैं कि he was not a lawbreaker and he came to render humanitarian and national services there. Who was Sir Edmund in the lesson Indigo? British lawyer, businessman, politician, or an administrator in Indian civil services?
Option D.
D1. D1.
Why did the British want the peasant to pay compensation? Because they freed them, they got orders from the British headquarters, they were leaving India, or they gave 15% of land holding an entire indigo harvest.
Option D.
D1.
D1.
Why? Where was Champaran? Lucknow, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, or a district of Bihar, British India mein?
A district of Bihar.
Bihar D1.
Why is Champaran famous? For fighting for indigo, Gandhiji visited your first Satyagraha movement.
Option
First
D.
Satyagraha.
For the first Satyagraha movement in 90.
शुरू हुआ था. Why did Rajkumar Shukla come to Lucknow at annual Congress session? To be rich, to be famous, to fight and get money, or to complain against the injustice?
To
Option D.
complain. D.
To
Option D.
complain against injustice.
Very good. Why did Gandhiji decide to go to Muzaffarpur? To have detailed information of the sharecroppers of Champaran, to have information about lawyers, to know different capacities of the people, or to have a personal bond with the people?
A1.
Option A.
A1.
Yes, detailed information.
Option D.
How did Gandhiji help peasants of Champaran? By fighting and securing justice for them, by hiring lawyers for them, by educating them, by teaching them cleanliness.
A1.
A1.
How much did indigo planters offer to pay? 30%, 10%, 25%, or 40%? The question is repeated.
25%.
25%.
25%.
What was Gandhiji's demand from the British landlord? 30%, 40%, 50%, or 10%?
50%.
50%.
50.
50%.
Why was Motihari black with peasants? Because of people's right, because of the oppression of the British, because the champion was in trouble, or none?
Option C.
C1.
C1, the champion. Okay, why did M.K. Gandhi fight in Champaran? To secure justice for the oppressed, to get popularity, to show power, or to boast his intelligence?
Option A.
A1.
Option A.
A1.
A1,
A1.
to serve justice, okay? Indigo is an extract from which book of the author? Man and Politics, Life of Lenin, Life of Mahatma Gandhi, or none?
Life of
Life
Mahatma
of
Gandhi.
The life of Mahatma Gandhi.
Now, Louis Fisher, who has written this, okay? Can you tell me when did the author serve in the British Army? You might not be knowing the answer. He served from 1918 to 1920. ठीक है? ध्यान रखना. और ये कौन है इसके author? Louis Fisher.
Louis Fisher.
Louis Fisher.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How did Kasturba help Gandhiji? By speaking to the people, by walking with him, by moving here and there, or teaching ashram rules and cleanliness?
Option D. Option D.
D1.
Okay, ashram rules and cleanliness. Why did Gandhiji protest at Motihari Court House? To be famous, to show his power, to humiliate the British, or to protest the court orders to postpone the trial?
Option D.
D1.
Sorry, beta. D1, yes. Got it? Now next chapter. Next, which chapter you want me to take?
Ma'am, poetry is
Poetry is okay. Which poem? My Mother at 66?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The very first question now. Wait. Okay. The mother's old age and lack of energy is a depiction of the poet's helplessness in old age, joy and fun of old age, bonding of mother with family members, or sickness and ill health.
option A.
A1.
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 What? Poet's helplessness. Very good. The poem is made up of 20 lines, a single sentence poem, 10 stanzas, or 5 stanzas.
A single sentence
Single.
poem.
Yes, this I
A
told you.
single
This is
single
the
sentence.
uniqueness of the poem. It's a single sentence poem. The image of married children has been brought out by the narrator in order to show energy of young children, to show the children playing, to show the children playing pranks, or to compare with him with herself.
Show energy of
Yes,
young.
A1. The narrator is only using her smile to cover up her pain, make herself happy, to make her mother happy, or to make her father happy.
Cover
To
up
make
her
her
face.
mother happy.
Cover
To
up.
cover up his.
Smile and smile and smile is alliteration, repetition, simile, or metaphor.
Repetition.
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 Yes. She said to her mother, goodbye, good morning, see you soon, Amma, or none.
Option
See you
C.
soon.
Option C.
See you soon, Amma.
See you soon.
C.
When the narrator looked at her mother again, she felt a pang of familiar ache, guilt, headache, or heart attack.
Option A.
Option D.
Familiar
A1.
ache. Familiar ache, okay. वही जाना पहचाना सा दर्द, her childhood fears. The narrator again compared her mother to summer's sun, rain clouds, late winter's moon, or trees and plants.
Late
Late
winter's.
winter's moon.
Okay.
Let
Children spilling out is simile, metaphor, personification, or none.
Metaphor.
Metaphor it is. Okay. The comparison is there. Trees sprinting is a poetic device. Okay. It's personification, alliteration, repetition, or simile.
the personification.
Personification. The poetess says her mother looked pale like a corpse.
Corpse.
Go, yes, answer.
Corpse.
She was going to Goa, Mumbai, Cochin, or Kolkata.
Cochin.
Cochin.
Kamala Das
Cochin.
was in Bengali, Punjabi, Keralite, or Gujarati.
Keralite.
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 What were the words she used while parting from her mother? This has been done. See you soon, Amma. Whose house the poet was leaving? Her friend's house, in-laws' house, husband's house, or parents' house?
Parents' house.
Parents' house.
Parents' house.
What does the expression smile, smile, and smile signify? Poet was going home and was elated. She was happy. She was hopeless. A poet's desperate efforts to hide her fears.
Last
D1.
option.
Ma'am, last one.
D1. D1.
Okay. What question arises from the complexity of the situation in the poem? What to do in old age, how to take care of one's skin, how to drive, how to strike a balance between duties and responsibilities.
D1.
D1,
D1.
balance between
D1.
duties and responsibilities. Okay. What does the narrative single sentence style of the poem highlight? Poet's feeling, poet's insecurities, poet's thoughts, or poet's intervening thoughts.
Ma'am, D1.
D1.
D.
Fine.
D1. Intervening thoughts.
Why did the
Intervening.
poet feel parted, upset, and sad because of her fears, because she was getting late, fear of missing her flight, or because of her duty towards her mother and her own
Ma'am,
needs?
D1.
Last
Option
option.
Last one.
Last option.
Okay, quote an example of personification used in the poem: sprinting, trees, home to Cochin, airport security check, yeah, all of these.
Ma'am, option A,
Sprinting.
sprinting.
T's.
A.
Quote a metaphor, okay, used in the poem. Quote an example. As a late winter's moon, trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes, driving from my parents' home, or a none.
Many children spilling out.
Yes, B1. Which rhyming scheme? Okay, this you might not be knowing. There's no rhyming scheme. Why did the poet look at her mother again? Because she was busy, she was going away, she wanted to stay back, or because of fear and insecurity?
Option
Ma'am,
D.
option
D.
D1.
What is the universality of the theme of the poem? Okay. What is the universal theme of the poem? Death is a truth, life is a reality, everyone is happy, or to show old age?
That is truth.
Death is a truth. Okay. Enough.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta. Take care. God bless you all. Stay
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.